Alright, Scrap My Family, we have another one. And we're back. Boom, you hear me? Bike Life Community. We are back with another reaction, and this time it's to a dirt bike chase. You know, I'm Bike Life, so I'm all up for this type of stuff. You feel what I'm saying? I'm going to say this before we start the video. To all cops out there, we are not bad people, okay? We've been trying to tell y'all this for years. It's a movement, Bike Life movement. Put the guns down, pick up a bike. That's the movement. So basically, we're trying to stop the violence, okay, with the Bike Life community. But I understand that has been violence going on in between the Bike Life community. But that's people who ain't really Bike Life for real, for real. You can't go off of one thing and speak for all of us around the world, because everybody around the world rides bikes, like, and you can't just say it's just black people, because there's more Caucasian people and Indian people and Puerto Rican people than there is us riding bikes out there. Like, honestly, like, we're all one, so whatever. But number two, y'all chasing bikes and stuff, y'all got better things to do. Like, y'all wasting taxpayers' money. Like, I'm a taxpayer. You're wasting my money on chasing people on dirt bikes, when you should be chasing the rapists and the people who's actually killing people for no reason and stuff like that. Y'all don't chase them down, but you'll chase a person on a dirt bike. See, my thing is with cops, y'all like bullies. You know, a bully picks and chooses who he want to mess with. That's what y'all do. Y'all pick and choose y'all battles. You shouldn't. You're a cop. You're supposed to be protecting and serving. You're not protecting nobody chasing a dirt bike. What are you protecting? Well, let's get into it, man. I'm not gonna get too mad. Let's get into it. I didn't even see it yet. I don't even know what's going on. I don't know if he's, you know, he might panic. I don't know. Oh, he ain't panicking. He turned out. He got up out of there. Waffle House, so he down south somewhere. Yeah, cutting across, what he should do. I like him. He going already. Even though me personally, I won't run. I just keep willing. Hit me if you want. I'm registered, insured, the whole nine. I'm gonna have a long suit. You hear me? We no panic for real. There was one time though. There was one time I did run from the police, like, because I had people that wasn't from the city with us. I'll do a reaction to that video too. I don't even see this dude, like, he got ghosts on him. They lost. They lost. As they should be. Wasting y'all time on chasing a dirt bike. And you still going. You lost him, and I bet you he's still going to pursue on trying to find this man. I bet you. Because he done shot up a whole parking lot. He just stole the bike, killed him, you know, he done did a whole bunch of crimes, so we're just gonna chase this man down like he's a fucking dog. Like.
You racing in the parking lot?
Damn, boy, he was cutting through the parking lot. I lost him like that.
And he sound black. A black man on a blue dirt bike with a helmet on, as he's supposed to. He got a helmet on, all that. Like he, you know, he could be riding down the street with no helmet on, smiling in your face, antagonizing you, but he not doing none of that. And look at you, you go. It clearly says that way. You going the wrong way, buddy. Look, what'd I tell you? Told you. I knew it.
Or black male, black shirt, white helmet. You're going north on Gather Springs.
That was going to continue the chase. I knew it.
Traffic's medium. Speeds 50.
I got faith in my brother. He gonna get back with y'all. If it was me, personally, if it was me, I'd have been fooling with him, making him mad. Keep going in circles. Keep going in circles. They got to keep reverse, drive. And I did it before. Pissed him off so bad he just stopped. Another thing. This is why they say no panic. Because like I just said, for instance, I was fooling with the man and made him stop like pursuing or trying to catch me or whatever he was doing. You feel what I'm saying? Right now, he's running from him. So you know what that causes? When cops see that you're scared of them and you're going to run from them, they're going to keep chasing you until you either panic, fall, they hit you, something. Once they see you running, they know you're scared. Just let that be known. Dropping some jewels for y'all in this bike life community, man. You show them that you ain't scared, they gonna like, we ain't fooling with him. You know what I'm saying? He's a veteran. Look at this. Look it up. He was about to tap him. He about to hit him. He tried to. Dummy. Let's go. Hit it on him. He on a 450 or something. Highway though, he start bugging. I'd have turned around on their ass. Go the opposite way on their ass. I ain't gonna lie to you or nothing. I'd have slowed down, got right in the middle of that grass right there and turned around on shorty. On my mama. I promise you. Look, he like, what? What y'all doing? Like, why y'all still messing with me, bro? Like, what I do? Like, y'all doing all this, like, I done killed somebody, bro. I swear I hate that, bro. I hate it. I don't know where he at, but they must not got no trails or nothing out there. I'm not stopping. Fuck wrong with you? What do I look like? Stopping. Dummy, I'm not stopping. I'm out of there. Don't stop. Don't do like that we got another video. The cop that's over there on that side, he want blood. I'm telling you, I'm a rider, I'm telling you how they be trying to kill us. They be trying to kill us. Like, I'm putting it out there, they be trying to kill us. Like, would you rather me ride? Officer of law, the one that's chasing him right now, I'm talking to you. Would you rather this man be riding a dirt bike or be trying to rob your house right now in your house with a mask on and a big ass gun to your face? Would you rather him be committing crimes like that or riding a dirt bike peacefully? Let's get back into it.
Speeds 70, 90.
Telling you, man. Yeah, slow it down, shorty. Should have turned around on his ass in the grass. Alright, what are you doing? You doing all this swerving around like I'm not in no car. Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. Get back on them. Keep messing with them. Make them do donuts and everything. Keep making them do donuts.
Wrong one in the surface road. Back. Wrong one in the surface road.
Do everything they can, shorty. That's what you're supposed to be doing right now. Hold on, man. Let me get right. Cause I feel like I'm in this chase right now. Let me put the mask on. You know what I'm saying? Shorty, you know what I'm saying? Bike light, you know what I'm saying? Link in description. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can cop up on these masks. You feel what I'm saying? I'll make them myself. You feel me? How you nice and sleek. You feel what I'm saying? Bike light. I'm gonna keep this on throughout the remainder of the video, shorty. You feel what I'm saying? I feel like I'm a part of this right now. Get back, shorty. Get back.
It's gonna be back towards
No face, no case, man. He hitting it on too. Okay, yeah. Now turn around again. Yeah. So go. Telling you, man, they're chasing this man down like he didn't kill somebody. He just riding the bike. Dummy, now you caught up, dummy. Look, you don't even know where to go. Turn it around, yep. That's what you're supposed to do to him. It's a dirt bike for a reason, man. You go off-road. Things they can't do in a car. Think. That's it? Yeah, shorty! You got it right! Let's go! Big bike like that. Go ahead, shorty! Like, comment, and subscribe right now, man. Link will be in the description where y'all can get these knives. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get y'all custom ones too. You know what I'm saying? Whatever y'all want, you know what I'm saying? See?